Hi, I saw there's a lot of comments on how to play Strawberries and Wine, so I'm just going to show you real fast. Coincidentally, I'm wearing the same sweater. This was not planned, but it's going to be in minor 9 shape, so 4th and 6th fret, X6, 4, 6, 6, X. When I say X's, I'm not playing that string, by the way. So 6, 4, 6, 6. And then I'm going to do a 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, X. So bar the 4th fret, G on the 5th, and then B on the 6th. I'm not playing the high E. Then I should do your, simple major 9, or major 7? Major 9 shape where you go. So 4th fret, hit the A string, get your middle finger on the, I'm not good at this, am I? On the G string, and then D and B string on the 6th fret. So think of it making like a, you make like a pizza or a triangle on 5th and 6th, and hit this one, right? And then I do a 6th fret. So 6th fret, bar it, hit the G on the 7th fret, and then you'll hammer on the B. So all together it sounds like this. Something like that, Sorry, my guitar has a lot of fret wear, so it's actually not, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's not sounding too good right now. I gotta get that fixed. But yeah, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. I hope this answers your question. So it's just the same thing on repeat. So pick up the phone. So you pick up the phone, I need your attention. Then you switch. Attention, I'm so glad we moved friendship. So I get in the. All right, enjoy.